Good morning to all. In this video, I will tell about the selection process of Engineering Services Examination, that is IES or ESE examination, which will be conducted by Union Public Service Commission, Government of India, every year. This is the website upsc.gov.in. The selection process is of three stages. Stage 1 ESE is preliminary examination. It is of purely objective type. And stage 2 is the main examination. It is of descriptive type. And stage 3 is the personal interview. It is of 200 marks. So let me come to stage 1 preliminary examination. It consists of two papers. Paper 1 is general studies and engineering aptitude. Paper 2 is engineering discipline. The engineering discipline they will be conducted UPSC will be conducted for the four disciplines: mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering. Those who qualified in the instrumentation engineering and electronics and instrumentation or instrumentation and control, they can undergo electrical, they can opt for electrical or electronics engineering. Those who qualified in the mechatronics or aerospace or aeronautical engineering, they can opt for the mechanical engineering. So like that, disciplines are there. The question paper pattern is for the preliminary. Paper 1 is general studies and engineering aptitude. The number of questions is 100 questions and maximum marks for the number of questions is 200. So each question will carry 2 marks. The duration is of 2 hours. It will be conducted at the morning session. And paper 2 is the engineering discipline. For electrical, mechanical, civil engineering and electronics and telecommunication engineering, syllabus will be different. You can check in the website and you can study with that. This consists of the paper 2 consists of 150 questions and maximum marks allocated is 300 marks. So here also each question will carry 2 marks only. So this is of 3 hours duration. It will be conducted at the afternoon session. So total marks for the preliminary examination is 500. Okay, marks will be out of 500. So here for each wrong answer, 1 by 3 marks will be deducted. Nearly 0.33 marks will be deducted. And those who has been selected in the preliminary examination, they have to attend the main examination. Okay, result will be published in the website and they have to undergo the main examination. Main examination is of purely descriptive type. It consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. That's how purely technical engineering discipline. For the electrical, electronics, civil and mechanical, separate syllabus will be there. And paper 2 syllabus topics are different, and paper 1 syllabus topics are different. Paper 2 syllabus topics are different. The question paper pattern for the main examination is 5 out of 8 questions. 5 out of 8 questions for each paper. Okay, 8 questions will be given. We have to attend 5 questions. Out of these 8 questions, the marks allocated will not be equal. They will be allocating the marks according to the based on the nature of the question. Okay, so the total marks is 300 for the 5 questions. The duration will be of 3 hours. And here also for paper 2 also 5 out of 8 questions. The marks allocated for the 5 questions is 300 marks and duration will be 3 hours at the afternoon session. The total marks for the main examination is 600. Okay, 600. And those who has been selected in the preliminary examination and in the main examination, they have to attend the personal interview. That's the final stage of a selection, personal interview. So the marks allocated for the personal interview is 200 marks. 200 marks. Marks allocated for the personal interview is 200 marks. So in the personal interview, they will check for leadership quality, intellectual capability, initiative, curiosity, mental and physical fitness, energy and alertness, and also the current affairs in social, economic and industrial development. So those who has been selected in the final stage of interview, they will be posted as engineers in the departments. Here main points, candidates who will be screened in preliminary examination based on the marks scored out of 500 will be allowed to attend the main examination. And then after the main examination, they will be calculating the marks out of 1100. That is, out of 1100 means preliminary plus main examination. And out of 1100, they will publish the cutoff. And they will publish the cutoff, and they will be publishing the selection registration numbers for the interview. And for the final selection, 3 marks has to be considered. 3 marks, they will consider 3 marks. That means preliminary examination 500, main examination 600, and personal interview marks 200. So 500 plus 600 plus 200, preliminary plus main plus interview. So after this, they will be selecting for the posts of engineers in the UPSC departments. So here, minimum qualifying marks is 20% of the maximum marks allocated in each paper. That means minimum qualifying marks is, for example, this is maximum marks 200 for the paper 1. Minimum qualifying marks means 20% of marks for the general category. 20% of marks means it will be around 40 marks. So 40 marks will be the qualifying marks. Qualifying marks is different than cutoff. Okay. So if you get 40 marks only, they will check the next paper. They will correct the next paper, like that. So minimum qualifying marks. Some will write the preliminary examination well. Some will write the main examination well. Some will attend the personal interview well. For the personal interview also, minimum qualifying marks will 40. 40 marks, 20% of the total marks. 40 marks is the qualifying marks. If they got score out of 1100, after the main examination, out of the 1100, if they got score 800 something, means in the personal interview they can score at least 40 is essential. So that's all. So finally, they will be selecting for the posts. So this UPSC is the main examination. It's a good examination. We can attend, and we can check our technical knowledge through this examination. Thank you.